Hey, fellow traders, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back, guys. Oh, well, guys, how's everyone doing so far? How's everyone doing today? All right, we'll start the day trading my funded next. Guys, we've got Apex account giveaway today. Follow the instructions with the Streamlab. Type in the code Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this account giveaway. Guess what, guys? If you pass this account, you are eligible to take on that activation fee. That's $40, guys. It's a chance for you to win the account worth $40. You have a chance. Let's do it, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right, so we got 8 more minutes to go for this market to open. For 6 more minutes. All right, 6 more minutes, guys. All right, we'll call out the winner at 150 likes, guys. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, as well. Thank you so much, everybody, for your support to the stream. All right. How did y'all make out today? Was it a great day for you guys? It was not an easy. I don't think it was an easy day for me. I kind of got screwed up myself last night because I was trading gold. Weird. All right, guys. Before we start, let's try to recognize some of our payouts from our fellow traders, guys. I requested another payout with the Apex. That's $2,000. Let's see if we can actually get a payout approval on this account that I've requested now. And we've got Parker taking 3 payouts with funding ticks, guys. And this is incredible. Parker, great job. I mean, honestly, it's such an inspiration. Such a great payout with funding ticks. 890. Parker probably used the $1,000 payout cap, which is obviously the cheapest account that we have in town, and he's used that. And guess what? 890 payout. This is after split. Awesome job, Parker. Great stuff. Let's take a look. Silver taking another payout with Elite Trader funding. Wow, that really comes as a surprise to me because I always had a little bit of a question mark as far as the Elite Trader funding is concerned, and Silver is just taking $7,500 of payout. Silver, great stuff, man. Good job. And look at this, another one, 79, and that's total of $15,000 right there just on Elite Trader. Silver, I want to know what sort of an account we're using for Elite Trader and what do you suggest, because this is an incredible payout story, right? And how much did you spend on this account? Like, I want to know, if you don't mind. But good stuff. Terry Dawson, can you please make sure to talk to me right after streaming is over, because I need to talk to you about your giveaway, right? I don't know your nickname on our Discord, so please come back to me later if you don't mind. Bowser, man, every week, every few days, we got consistently payout from Bowser with Bill and Ox, which obviously I'm struggling. Bowser, $1,500. Awesome job, Bowser, man. That's great. Great stuff. Nice, man. Really nice, guys. And somebody that really comes as a surprise to me is Kusin, right? Kusin, 37 Kusin. We still have 4 more minutes, so we'll just go through our payouts with everybody else. I mean, take a look, man. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Like, this is such a consistent payout. Look at the number of trading days. On an average, you got like 20 days on an average. Yeah, this is incredible, guys. Consistent trader. Awesome. Qin, good job, man. And that's me there, $485 from Take Profit Trader. I've taken that. Nothing really to be proud of, but yeah, and that's it, you know.
Connection lost.
Awesome job. Good stuff, guys, man. Lots of payouts from everybody. All right, let's go back to our trading now. I wonder when Lucid and 25 is gonna fix their P&L on the affected accounts. Yeah.
Connection lost.
All right, everybody, have a great day. If you guys are trading, I've been just not really good trading Globex Asia. I just kind of feel like it's such a difficult market to trade. Yeah, I've been really kind of struggling, to be honest, trading Globex Asia, including trading gold as well. So that's another bigger problem that I've got. Anyways, guys, I'm here right now. We're trying to trade the Globex Asia. We got 2 more minutes. Let's try to play safe and see how it goes. One thing that I want to keep a note is that the all-time high, of course, at 26,400, and we are actually pretty close to that pivot. I wonder if we are going to get a rejection of that level, or are we going to pierce through that at the first attempt? Now, it's going to be a pretty interesting to see how it's going to kind of turn out. I don't know what you guys think about this market right now, but we are right at the level now, so it's going to get quite interesting. I want to see how we pierce through this level. If we pierce through, the next level of resistance is going to be 870, right? And then, of course, the level of support that we are kind of looking at right now would be somewhere in that 650 area, right? That would be a nice little support area, 650. So we are kind of like 70 points away from where we are now. So that's where I kind of feel like, you know, we may try to pull back into and try to maybe retest the pivot here at 790 zone before we start to get a pullback, right? I don't know what you guys think. Milton, until what time are the futures open tomorrow? I'm not sure. Is market closed tomorrow? You'll get an email saying it's done. Oh, do we is the market closed tomorrow, guys? Just started watching you. Yeah, Body Box Boy. Thanks, man. Thanks for being here, brother. I appreciate it. You started watching me. You're making me feel nervous now. Angel, what is up? Coach Fred, what is going on, brother? Donna H, what up, guys? Terry Dawson, remember Terry? I need to talk to you, right? Just please make sure to DM me if you don't mind. I see that. What up, guys? The market's open now. Right, so let's just take a look and see, make sure we are getting obviously that pivot there at 780. So I'm gonna kind of keep an eye on that area. I do kind of feel like this market's obviously very bullish, right? So we could kind of get a bounce, try to push back into the 790 before we start to get a pullback. We'll watch. All right, guys, the market's open now. Globex Asia is open. All right, pretty slow start for now. I don't see anything crazy, but just I've got my 1 hour chart on the right hand side because I just want to make sure I kind of see the bigger picture story. Oh, the lucid resets are 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. in the morning. Okay, I see. All right. Ooh, I almost kind of traded the NQ instead of trading micro. Almost going into myself a little trouble there. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna test the water with 1 micro. Oop, it's not. My order's not getting filled. Oh, guys, by the way, Tradovate. Be careful when you're trading Tradovate, man. We got a lot of problems still with Tradovate. My orders not get filled on time, and I kind of miss out. Like, you know, I didn't think I was in a contract, like. And then all of a sudden, 2 minutes later, I've got like 5 micro contracts on that trade, which I didn't know it's there. I never thought I actually entered a trade. All right, guys. We are what, break even now. We're sitting at 713. Let's keep an eye on this, guys. I'd like to see this level hold 700, and let's try to play the game. I'm gonna keep adding here. Whatever. Let's do it. All right, maybe a slow grind to the downside. Maybe probably back into the 695s. Maybe you messaged TPT about Tradovate issue causing me to lose 1 Take Profit Trader Pro account, and they said nothing they can do. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is not going to do anything, guys. They're probably the most difficult guys to kind of like try to yeah, most difficult guys to kind of like try to get something out of them, right? Very difficult. Very difficult. Tradovate does not allow you to exit your position. Yeah, I mean, that's literally what happened today, right? For not just you, a lot of traders, but I don't know. I mean, we are seeing firms come out and take action on their Project X issues, but I don't know why. For some reason, for Tradevate issues, nobody's coming out and talking about it, right? Even though I think Tradevate issue is probably a lot more significant than the Project X, to be honest, right? Because you place an order and then you kind of forget because it did not execute the order, and a few minutes later you're actually in the order in a trade, and you kind of realize that a couple hours later, because if you're not on your screen, then you're gonna kind of forget about it, right? Some of the orders that I tried to execute, it actually came on board like, you know, probably about 10 minutes later. So take PROPFIRM, no use of reaching out. Yeah, I mean, they wouldn't, I mean, yeah, you know what? It's kind of tough, right? They've got it on their contract. I kind of noticed that across the board on all the firms, that if there's issues with the platform, it's not their responsibility, right? And everybody's now started to add, including Lucid now. So it's kind of like, oh well, still wait and check for a trade to mark. The eval has passed. All right, so I requested a payout on Friday. Take Profit Trader got transferred to my wallet, so it's actually pretty good. Yeah, they're catching up now, and the market's kind of really slow, guys. We are back down into the 709, but I don't know, guys. This could be a little pullback down. And what do you guys see? 100% Tradevate has so many glitches. Yeah, they really had so much glitches, guys, and they still do. I'm really surprised that, you know, this glitch has been ongoing for like a couple weeks now. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I've noticed that, guys, for a couple weeks now. Tradevate, right? And nobody seems to talk about it. It's weird. It's really weird. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying it's not fun, you know, when Tradevate being obviously my largest platform, right? I obviously trade probably the most of the firms through Tradevate, with an exception, Tradify, Lucid. And then, of course, we got Top Step as well, on the other hand. But there's no bad news. It's, well, Monica, what is going on? Captain Price in the house, Justin Wright. Prefer trading futures. What up? Most difficult guys are funding ticks. Most difficult guys are funding ticks, really? In what sense? Yeah, they're also very annoying too, yeah. Like they wouldn't even want to discuss. It's not their problem. No, weird. Lucid is probably the nicest guys, I guess, for now, but things will change. Ninja bought the Tradevate and it went downhill. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what firm, what platform we can kind of rely on now. Now that, you know, Tradevate and Project X is obviously the bulk of the accounts are kind of traded in those two firms, right? In those two platforms. So I don't know where else can we go. I think probably Quantower is also pretty good. I'm trading Quantower using my for my Apex Rhythmic accounts, but Quantower is actually good. You know, they've been pretty consistently with no issues at all. So, but I'm only using Apex Rhythmic accounts to trade the through Quantower. Everything else I'm like trading off Tradevate and Project X. So it's kind of important to kind of diversify your portfolio, right? So not just the firms but also platforms as well. It's really nice to have, like, you know, split them, you know. I don't know if it's evenly, but for me, I kind of feel like right now 50% of my accounts are like through Tradevate, 40% through Project X, and 10% through Quantower Rhythmic, right? So I've got to be careful. There's no other platform to kind of use as well, so we're kind of like exposed. Ever since Tradevate partner with it went down. Yeah, I don't want to call that out. How can I do that? Support is useless and they never accept the issues. Yeah, they never accept the issues. That's a problem. Yeah, I think it's Tradevate prop, man. That's really sucky part. I like, without really going into too much details, but I ever since the Tradevate prop, you're right, man. Bowser's absolutely right, man. Ever since that prop thing kind of got launched, everything was just to the south. Everything to the south. Sadly. Whoa, hold on 1 second, guys. We got somebody. Dan Emmons went for what firm is this, Dan Emmons? Did you stay on a buffer? I did not have to, but it's always best to have one. Oh, I see. Yeah, I wonder what it is, Dan Emmons. I want to know what account. Directly funded account, man. Pretty interesting. I want to know what this directly funded account is. Yeah, there must have been a pretty hot discount. I am kind of interested myself. If the deal is hot, right? Dude, 45 in the house. What is going on, man? Jayhan Karimov, where do you live? I live in Canada. I'm a neighbor of Perfect Play. What is going on, Perfect Play? Long time no see. True Strand, what up, man? Michelle, what up, brother? Who was that guy who I saw on Twitter who made 1 million? I have no idea, man. You know, I'm not interested in taking a look at those $1 million on Take Profit Trader, because if I see, then I get into FOMO and I'll literally destroy all my accounts after seeing that $1 million somebody's taken from Take Profit Trader. I'll be like, oh yeah, I can do that same thing. Let's go full port. I try to refrain myself from taking a look at those information. All right, guys, we're kind of like trying to get a balance.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 10 contracts now. I mean, if you get a pullback here, that's fine. Right? My exit is probably gonna be in that 680 area.
Order
right?
canceled.
Dan Emmons, this market is unhinged. Dan Emmons, I wanted to ask you, what account did you buy on that direct funded account? Pretty interesting. Oh yeah, Michelle, order fill. Yeah, that's the way to go. What's the best profit deal right now? Did you see what Lucy said about the reset? Yeah, I did not hear. I saw the message. I saw their call out. You made $4,500 on your Lucid. Oh, you went for direct funded accounts in Lucid. Oh, I see. And now it's made 45 times 2. Holy, really? You made $4,500 on your Lucid direct funded account today. So now I need to make 45. Wow, that's crazy, man. What was the price you paid for direct funded account on the Lucid? Did they have a hot deal? Interesting why you ended up picking Lucid instead of something else, because Lightning account on Tradify also had a deal, right? So, yeah, I would like to short the TD and yeah. All right, guys, I'm going a little slow because the market obviously is really slow right now. So let's try to have some fun, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys. We'll call out the winner when you approach the 150 likes, guys, by the way. And what is those accounts you have? 25. This is my funded next accounts, guys. This is my funded next. These are my funded next accounts, and all of them are my funded accounts. I hate how the buffer resets after each payout on Lucid Direct. Yeah, I know, man. Those buffer resets, weird. You made 45 Lucid. Oh yeah, pretty hot. All right, guys, man. Let's see if we get a bounce back into this account. Yeah, I had some really mind-boggling trade last night. Into the more early morning. I tilted on my gold trade. I swear to God, guys, man, I have no idea, man. I don't know how to refrain from trading gold. I have no idea. I'm really struggling to refrain from trading gold. I'm having a little bit of a problem, and then I get pissed, and then I tilt gold. And guess what? When you tilt gold, you know what the thing is though? Every time the gold kind of stalls. You know what's really funny about gold is it kind of stalls, and as soon as I get into a trade with gold, it starts to move. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Every time the gold stalls, you see the gold. Let's take a look at the gold right now. Let's take a look at the gold. All right, see, the gold kind of sits there, right? It's there. It's not doing anything right now. Watch. It's not doing anything right now. It's just sitting there. Nothing is moving, right? It's there. Even now, it's literally 41.26 for the last 2 minutes now. Soon as I enter a trade, it starts to move against me. I have no freaking idea how to play this gold. This gold is just an insane. I'm trying to reframe myself. I just can't do it, guys. I'm having a little bit of a tough time. Very annoying trading gold. And yeah, man, it's been tough, guys. I'm really trying to stay away from gold, but last night into the morning, overnight, I tilted. I ended up blowing an account, and I'm really pissed because it's frustrating, right? I don't know if some of you guys are kind of like struggling trading gold, but I honestly, I don't know why I keep going back to gold. It's not like I trade gold as much, to be honest with you. It's probably what, out of 10 trades I get into one, and usually I do that right after this, during Globex Asia. When I get to the New York, obviously I don't trade gold, right, at all, because in most cases I'm using my phone and I'm not streaming, so nobody talks about gold, and I'm like, you know what, trading NQ because that's all I know. But then Globex Asia, everybody starts to talk about gold, even on Discord. Oh, you know, I made some great trades, gold, and I'm like, you know what, get into FOMO mode. I know a lot of you guys are doing really well with gold, and I get that. You know, that's what frustrates me even more. It's like, you know what, you guys are doing well, and I understand you guys are better than I am as a trader, but I can't keep losing on gold. You know what I mean? Very annoying sometimes. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna peel some profits here.
Submitted. Order
Order
failed.
failed.
And a small little
Order
profit,
failed.
nothing really there, but and that's what frustrating, guys, man. It's like I really want to get something going in gold. I thought we were friends, but I guess, you know what, the gold just does not want to give it to me. And you know what, I kind of understand. I'm a bit oversized. I'm a little more aggressive in my trades, and of course when you do that with gold, it's never going to end well, right? And I get that. So I don't know, gold is going back to all-time high. Oh really? You think so? I feel like your method is best for Nasdaq, but I enjoy watching you. Yeah, I mean, body box, I mean, you know, thanks for your comment. I'm just not, you know, trading gold has to be a little different. And I realized that. You guys already said to me plenty of times over and over again. I get that, you know, but I trade the same way, the way I trade NQ, and I try to carry on to the gold trade, and of course that does not end very well. And on top of that, I'm very aggressive when I trade gold. Sometimes you guys see me trading like 20 micros at a time, and when you're 20 micros at a time and the gold really moves, you're in trouble, right? So every month China buys 40 tons for the next 3 years. Really? Toxic FX? You prefer playing the gold GLD calls? Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, trading options is a little bit of a different conversation, of course. I don't like there's a lot of better things to kind of play in the options world, other than trading GLD, to be honest, right? You know, for example, like Home Depot is probably a better play than GLD when you're doing options. I'm just giving an example, right? There's a lot of great stocks to kind of trade options. Oh my mochaccino, guys, look at that bounce. What was that bounce, guys?
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys. I got into trade with 2 accounts. We got a little bit of a doji candle here, so we'll see. This is on a 1-hour chart, and we got a doji candle. So I wonder how this is gonna kind of play. Oh my god, we got a bounce, and then now we're getting a pullback. Damn, I hate this, guys. This could be a little bit of a trap. Oh my god, I hate this kind of a trap, man. It. Oh man, I hate this. I hate this trap. I've seen this plenty of times. It does a little pop here just to kind of get everybody in as a confirmation. All right, guys. Once again, I'm gonna have to exit this trade. I can't remember exactly where this account was. Where's the freaking account? All right, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm just gonna exit that trade. We'll trade this. All right. If the market's trying to bullshit with StockTiger, okay, well, this is what this market's gonna get from StockTiger now. Watch. Yeah, look at this BS, man. Look at this. It got a little pop here just to kind of make people excited, and then guess what? It dumps, take everybody out, and now let's see what happens now at this market. Wow, I hate this, guys. I exited that trade on the other one because I didn't want to get caught on the wrong side with 2 accounts in a row, right? Now, this could be a little pullback down. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. We'll see how it goes. God, I hate this, guys, man. You know, this little what do you call this? Bullish, fake, and then it pulls back literally about 30 points right off the bat. 30 points, man. That was literally about 30 points, guys. Screw off, man. Yeah, it's really slow right now, so nothing really truly there. I've taken my profits earlier, but I'm gonna try and reload.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Order submitted.
All right, guys.
Order.
This market tried to
filled.
fake me out, but then now
Order.
I'm gonna fake
filled.
the market. All right, we may get a pullback here, maybe. I don't know. We may not. We'll see, guys.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
I just want to make sure I'm on the right side. That's all. I think once I know I'm on the right side, I think we should be
Order
golden.
filled.
Look, we are back again. This is what we are talking about, guys. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Order
I'm
filled.
pissed. That kind of faked me out, but I got your back. Should I move that down? Is that okay? Very demanding, Mr. Dan Ammons. Very demanding. Yes, sir. I'm gonna move, sir. No, I'm just bugging you, Dan Ammons. Don't worry. Don't worry about StockTiger. I'm just being grumpy, that's all. But tell me what you think about the 1 hour chart. Nothing. It's just indecisive doji candle we got here. We're right in that triangle and we got a doji candle. The market's still yet to decide what it wants to do. I do honestly at some point we try to hit this pivot right here. I think we probably get ourselves back here, but I don't know if we are gonna retest the low here first before we get a bounce attempt, or do we go straight back into the 780 and then probably try to come back into the next level of support and try to retest the pivot again, right? So I'm not sure if this is how it's gonna be, right? I'm just not sure if the play is this, like call back up, retest, pull back, and try to retest back again, right? And then eventually break out, right? We could try to do this, right? We could try to do this. I don't know if you guys can see this chart, guys, but this is probably probably a good trade idea in my opinion. But it looks like this market obviously is trying to get a bounce, try to continue moving to the upside. Right, I think, yeah, this is what I kind of feel, but we can also do kind of like, you know, a pull back down first before we try to get a bounce, right, back into the EMA support, pull back here, and then try to call back up, right, and then maybe get a bounce. You know what I mean? This could be also in the cards too, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. Either we continue moving higher, higher low, higher low, sorry, higher high, try to hit that pivot at 782, get a rejection there, get to pull back down to 700 area, and then try to go back, call back up again into the 760, try to retest, and finally we try to break out of the area, right? Yeah, these are all funded accounts, guys. I'm trading all my funded accounts right now.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order.
All right, guys, I'm taking profits off the table right now.
Order cancel.
Order filled.
All right, I'm down to 3 contracts right now. Down to 3 contracts, guys. Good luck if you guys are trading today. I hope all of you are doing well. So I'm still holding to this last 3 piece. Probably gonna end up moving to my other account that I'm trading, so we'll see how that goes. 25.710 is my stop. Is your stop 710? Oh, that's a really tight stop you've got there, but I think that's a pretty good idea too. I like that stop, by the way, and that's a pretty good that's a good area. I like that. Good stuff. Who again? Was it Black Mamba? Yeah, Black Mamba. Good stuff, man. Blake Mamba Mia. All right. VDS 24 hours, 90% off sale now. Static. Oh my mochaccino, guys. Hey man, Zabak the Midget, man. Thanks, brother, for letting me know, guys. Man, we got some big deal coming out right now, guys. I didn't realize that. Did they actually come back? Oh my, I love it. I didn't know they're $8 mochaccino. Oh, 1 second, guys. Guys, the best code Tiger for PDS, man, $8. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now, guys. Just give me 1 minute. Forget about the trading. Forget about the trading right now. I'm gonna share that, guys. Just bear with me. Give me a few seconds. Okay, 1 second. 1 second, guys. Hold it. 1 second, everybody. I am back here again. I'll be right back. Few minutes. This is a lot of fun, guys. Thank you, Zabak, man. I didn't realize that. I'm definitely gonna load in this time. I kind of missed out last time, by the way. I was absolutely pissed, of course. This time, yeah, StockTiger is gonna load in. Absolutely, sir. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, so that's, here we go, guys. The best code Tiger. This is I did buy the 25k static. The activation is 84 or 85 bucks. So it's $8 and then it's a static account, right? So it's static. $8 eval, and I think the activation is about $85 if I'm not wrong. I wonder how much it's going to be for the 50k funded 50k account though. It's $16, but I don't know, I can't remember exactly how much it was. The I wonder how much it was on that yeah, I can't remember. I know that 25k static was 85. I think it's maybe $150 for the 50k. So honestly, it doesn't really make sense to get to the 150. Sorry, the 50ks. Probably just the 25k for me. Only the 25k kind of makes sense for me right now. I don't think anything else really makes sense. Because the activation is pretty expensive, right? What do you think, Zabak the Midget? Obviously, I think Zabak the Midget has been trading. It is a great firm, but it's just that they've been pricey, so I've not really been actively trading that firm. But I wouldn't mind loading in some static accounts and trade for $8, right? And try to see if I can get to maybe 10 accounts and then activate those for $85. Kind of makes sense, but you really have to go slow, right? Swing accounts. Zabak the Midget, what do you think is probably the most accounts that kind of make sense? I know the 25k static makes sense because you're paying $8, and then on top of that for activation, if you pass, then you're paying 85. But I don't know about everything else, and that's really all I trade. They deny payouts? I don't think so. Anyways, guys, I'm out of this trade now. I'm out of this trade. Exit that trade. Let's try to trade another one. I'm gonna trade this one, this bad boy that I kind of got destroyed earlier on that pullback. So I'm gonna go long here, guys, and I'm gonna scale into my trade. All right, guys. By the way, do not forget to smack the like, guys, and do not forget to type in Tiger in order to give yourself a chance to participate on this Apex account giveaway tonight, guys. Thank you so much for so much love. Yeah, it's for 24 hours only for Phidias, and I'm gonna, for me, I think only kind of makes sense for me. It's the 25k static, and honestly, yeah, that's really the only thing that makes sense for me. Other than that, it's like, I don't know. I don't know anything else. No, that's all. That is all. All right, guys, man. I'm let's try to go long here. Add some more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order canceled.
I've got 5 contracts here now, guys. Market is low. Yeah. You're still in. No, I didn't chicken out, brother. StockTiger never chicken out, guys. It's StockTiger. Tigers don't chicken out, guys. I'm still in a trade. I just flipped to a different account. That's it. Stop under the VWAP. I'm gonna just keep adding here unless we get a flush down pretty aggressively, right? I'm gonna still scale into my trade because I think this is gonna be. In my opinion, I think we're gonna see a lot of fakes today. It almost kind of feels like there's gonna be a lot of fakes. And I'm ready to play the fakes with this market. Bring it on, baby. Bring it on, everybody. Black Mamba, yeah. Black Mamba trying to troll StockTiger today. Daniel Lop, what is going on, man? It's really hard to read those names, guys, by the way. So my apologies if I'm not able to call out the names. I usually love to call out the names, but it's hard to pronounce, right? Like David Monte 5098. Like, what the hell am I gonna do? Read all day? Gringo, what is going on, man? Call Mer Pa. Always grinding. What up, man? The original gangster in the house. Defs, what up? Farah, everybody, welcome back, guys. Great to see you all here. Can you read my name? Yeah, your name is probably the easiest one, man. Just ain't right. Just ain't right is here in the house. The biggest and the largest. Take profit trader. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Nasty. Oh, I don't like that at all. Marzena 77. What is going on? What is going on, everybody? I don't like that at all. All right, here we go, guys. Yeah, I don't know. It's all right, here we are, guys. We are getting a slow grind pullback here down.
Order.
Oh,
Order
man.
filled.
We really better hold this area now. Or else we are capito. Forget. Could be the time to say goodbye.
Order
This better
canceled.
not shank on me now. Pull back here. Nasty. Gonna put me in trouble on this bad boy. How much drawdown do I have? Oh my god, I only have 988. Guys, man, I'm in trouble on this. Yeah, this is the problem. It gotta be when you're trading the 25k accounts, it's like you're kind of like you're really exposed. Like you only have so much drawdown on the 25ks, right? And you keep trading these accounts like they're 50ks. It's funny. Yeah, sometimes I trade this 25ks thinking it's 50k accounts, because usually that's what I do, right? Trade the 50ks, and then I kind of get stuck because I'm like, oh my god, I only have so much drawdown now. But when I'm making profits, it's easy. But when I'm on a losing side, this drawdowns kind of, you know, gets eaten pretty fast. So GC in easy. Yeah, man, GC, man. I don't even want to think about gold right now, man. Oh my god, gold scares me. I get a little bit of trauma, but guys, trading gold. Hey Tiger, can you trade Apex trade funding during Asia? Yeah, you can. You can trade Apex funded accounts all day, anywhere. It doesn't matter. And that obviously with everybody else, with all the firms, you can trade whatever you want. It doesn't matter. All right, man. Are we gonna get a pullback here? What, guys, man? I don't like this, man. Kind of feels like you got flushed down. But of course, this could be a little bit of a fake. Let's see if we hold this, guys. We're right at the very important area. If we can't hold this, then I think we're in trouble. We're in trouble. It's time to say goodbye. Yeah, 50k accounts are $16 on the FIDIAS, but the problem is the activation is 150. So I don't know, man. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm not okay to pay 150 activation just because the evals are cheaper, right? So 16 plus 150, it's almost what again? It's almost 160, 165. Well, it's not crazy as bad. I mean, it's almost kind of like Biolonox, for all you know. So it's not a bad idea, but I mean, I still think it's a bit pricey. Depends on. I mean, we got some traders here, obviously been very active trading FIDIAS, but if you're fairly new, I don't know, I wouldn't feel very comfortable paying like full pop. They don't support Ninja. Yeah, they're just Rhythmic. Oh, by the way, guys, they're just Rhythmic, right? They're just Rhythmic accounts. So you gotta have access to Rhythmic and Quantower. I use Quantower to trade the FIDIAS accounts. How much is the 25 static one? That's activation on the FIDIAS is 85 bucks. 85 bucks. Like, you know what, for me it's like a back burner. I'm never going to have FIDIAS as my main kind of like firm just because they're cheap, their evals are cheap. I can't do that, right? So I probably end up loading in some 25k static accounts, but let's say if I pass 10, I don't know if I'm gonna be okay to pay for all that 10, right? I probably end up paying for 2, and let's see if I get paid on using that 2 accounts. And if I get paid, then I'm going to use that fund to kind of activate the rest of the accounts that I passed. You know what I mean? So that's probably the idea, and that's how it's probably supposed to be. Oh man, honestly, I don't know if we are gonna get a strong pullback. When you say strong pullback, we're gonna have a nasty pullback, right? Probably maybe a 1 or 2% pullback. Is that what you're kind of looking at? I don't know if that's doable, to be honest. I'm not in that camp just yet. I'm not in that camp of a massive pullback, right? We may get a pullback here, but I mean, I don't know if that's really pretty it's hard to kind of say unless we get some bad news coming out, right? I don't know if we are going to get bad news though. Is there any bad news that we have right now? We don't really, right? The Fed is ready to kind of print the money, right? I don't know. It's like Trump is, I think they're having this conversation about paying $2,000 for all the US citizens. I wonder if they're gonna pay StockTiger as well. I'm not sure. I may have to speak to DT and have a little concession there. StockTiger 2K as well, maybe get paid. Maybe open up a little business in I don't know. And say, hey, listen, I opened a new business, man. DT, help me out. 2K, check. Let's go, baby. That's $2,000 for all the U.S. citizens, right? I don't know if that's firm, but see, I mean, there's a lot of kind of good news kind of playing out right now. And China, still talking about a good deal with USA, right? So the vote went through, the government shutdown. Maybe it's over now. I'm not sure. Trump confirmed they will pay everyone $5K. Oh, his name is Monica. Maybe I've got to change my name now, guys. All right, so it's going to be Stock Monica Tiger. All right, let's go, baby. Trump wants to give $2,000 in stable coin. Oh, stable coin, really? So what is the Bitcoin doing right now? Are we getting a bounce in the Bitcoin? The Bitcoin trying to get a bounce, guys. The Bitcoin trying to hold as well. So I'm in a 1 minute chart. And by the way, guys, this market is kind of wonky. I don't know what to do now. I may have to exit this trade, or I wonder what this is gonna do. I don't know, man. It's the gold trying to hold, Bitcoin trying to hold. I wonder what NQ is now going to do next. I'm gonna move back to maybe 30 minutes chart. I think probably a 30 minutes chart could help me. Oh my god, I hate this, guys. 1 hour chart. Let's go back to the 1 hour. We'll see. All right, guys. Still, so far we are kind of holding, right? So I'm not gonna try and be too negative about this price action right now. Looking for shorts in NQ, and oh, you are trying to short both NQ and gold. Pretty interesting. Hey Tiger, have you ever heard of Poly Market, the website? I've never heard of that. Is that a prop firm? Is that a prop firm? From they have plans that are cheap now. Add to new activation fee with the sale. What do you mean, Zabak the Midget? What do you mean by cheap now and add no activation fee? I wonder what is that no activation fee? What is that? I got a Phidias swing account, no activation fee for 144. Wiser the most. What account is that? Is that a 50k account or 150k account? I don't know, man. 144 bucks. If it's a 150k swing trade for 144, I think that's a pretty decent deal. I kind of like that. I don't know. But it's got to be a 150. If it's a 50k account swing trade, I don't know if I'm in that camp that it's a good deal. All right, guys, are we gonna get a bounce or what now, guys? Man, this market's got to better decide what it wants to do, man. I'm getting a bit annoyed. Dima Yarush, thank you for your subscription. PDS has two sides. You can do all in also or activation side. Yeah, I like it pretty straightforward, man. Sometimes, you know, these firms, they make it really complicated, but But anyways, long story short, I think Phidias is definitely a legit firm. They're a good company. We've already have some great traders here, like Zabak the Midget trading Phidias, right? So, but for me, Phidias is still on a back burner. It's not like my main firm, right? I only use that firm when I'm kind of like, you know, in that when they have a hot deal, like, you know, what we got here right now, 90% off, 24-hour only. And that is when I kind of get into those accounts, right? For a little while, but all right, so we're we're hitting that resistance here, guys. 719. We just can't get above that, so I'm gonna have to patiently wait for this thing to get above and look for a target 737. That's the initial high. Let's see. Oh, we just dump right now. Could also do it, but I mean, yeah, we'll see, guys. It's Globex Asia, nothing really there, but at the same time, I don't really have a lot of drawdowns, so I'm kind of like a little concerned about this. Yeah, so yeah, they're using Quant Tower for Phidias. So if you guys are familiar with Rhythmic Quant Tower, then it kind of makes sense, but if not, then that's not an easy I don't know if that's worth it then, right? If you're not trading through the Quant Tower Rhythmic, and if you've never done it, and just for the sake of trading Phidias, if you try to get into the Quant Tower, I don't know if that's a good idea. I wouldn't want to just try to load in a new kind of like a platform just to kind of trade one new firm that's come up with some good deal. I wouldn't want to do that, at least if it's me. I'm not saying that's what you guys are supposed to do. I'm just saying, I can tell you, your flight attendant stated last week when I asked how bumpy the flight was to be, she said, close your eyes and hold on. Same with NQ. This Eddie. Yeah, Phidias definitely have one of the better swing accounts. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I completely agree. But you know what? To be honest with you, I don't know what you guys think about the swing trades, but swing trading on the futures PROPFIRM, it's I don't know, man. It's hard, right? It's hard, and that's a lot of risk. You could end up losing your account easily, right? You could end up losing your account. It's very easy to lose your account if the market's down about 0.5% on the very next day. That accounts could easily go, right? That's what the challenging thing is about the swing trades. You know, it sounds great, but it's also very challenging too, right? That's why I prefer, like, I love swing trading, by the way, don't get me wrong, but I love swing trading on my equity trades, right? Not on the futures. Futures is really tough, man. It's really tough. I don't know. I just find it very difficult. All right, guys, nice little pop here, man. I like that. Down to 4 contracts, guys. We are getting a balance. I love it, guys. This is great. Can this get any better? Right? We kind of stay patient. Now it's rolling. It's pushing, guys. We are tapping that 737s. Nice.
Order submitted.
Oh, good, guys. Good. I like this, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually keep pushing here. You know what? Forget about through 737. I'm just going to hold this, guys, all the way.
Order canceled.
I'm just going to hold it, guys. We'll see. Yeah, let's see if we can actually get back to 767s, guys. That's the final ultimate target there. Tiger, do you sleep, bro? Yeah, I do. Yeah, don't worry about StockTiger's sleep. I take care. I take care of myself. Do not worry, brother. I'm all good. I'm healthy and strong. This is StockTiger. StockTiger. It's all good. I'm doing just fine. Don't worry. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna live for another 100 years, so at least, guess what, guys, man? You know, the great thing about trading is that you can trade until, like, I don't know, like until you're what, 90. I'm gonna be banking until when I'm 90, still lots of years, man. I'm only 17 now, so if you minus 90, do the math. And that's a lot of years, right? Do you trade the same with funded and evals? Are you more aggressive on evals? I'm definitely much more aggressive with evals, 100%. And not all evals are the same. It depends, right? The evals are, it depends. If the evals are cheaper, if it's a $16, $8 or whatever, $20 it may be, and those are like, you know, it's not even worth my time to use my finger, right? Those evals at below $20 are probably, I just use my feet to get into a trade and exit my trade too. So there was a nice little pop. Way to start. Yeah, JT, man, we're getting a nice beautiful bounce, but guess what, guys? We're in the Asian market, so guess what it's gonna do? We could get a lot of fakes and weird funky price action, so just be careful, guys, man. Globex Asia has been really weird lately, so it's not easy. But so far it's being very nice to StockTiger, so I'm gonna take it, guys. I'm gonna try and grab as much as I can out of these trades, right? Squeeze all the way, right? You're leaving the 5 runners. Nice, Black Mamba, man. Awesome. And guys, by the way, if I forget to call out your names or if I forget to read your message, please type it again if you don't mind. Obviously, you guys know we are going through a giveaway right now, so a lot of traders are gonna type in Tiger to get a ticket. So I'm not gonna be able to read. I may miss the messages, right? So please bear with me if I forgot to read your message. And if that message was directed to Tiger, thank you, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well. We'll depends. Nice. Fart or fart? Fart 8740. Fart. Mr. Fart 8740 just bought a swing trader account. How much did you pay for that one? Am I supposed to get a swing trade as well? I don't know, man. I really like to. Somebody said 144. I wonder what that 144 is, guys. I want to know. Is that a 150k account? It's okay. I'm gonna call you Fart. Let's do it. Just kidding, guys. I'm just trying to have some fun here. Globex Asia, you guys know it's an entertainment night. It's entertainment night. Da 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 da. 50k for 144. Oh, I don't know, man. I'm not sure if I'm okay to pay 144 for a swing trade account. Ah, my God, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to think about if I want to pay 144. I may just load in the $8 account to kind of like just YOLO and have some fun with it during the stream. Maybe we can do that, right? I can kind of go back to my Quant Tower. I've been using that to trade, of course, my Apex accounts and Rhythmic accounts, but maybe I can kind of try to get back very actively. The thing is, right, the 25 static accounts are really the drawdowns just what, $400 or something like that. It's really hard. It's just $400. It's not easy. Really not easy. Like if you try to go 1NQ on this 25k static accounts, you could end up blowing those accounts right away. So anyways, guys, what is this market trying to do now? Are we gonna pull back? Well, I kind of like the idea that we try to retest the high here at 760. I don't know if I'm in that camp of a retest low here. I don't think. I prefer. I think probably 760 is where I see this market going back up to. We may get a little bit of a fake here, try to pull back into the 730s and probably quickly snap back up again. We'll see, guys. I may be wrong. Who knows what this market's gonna do? I mean, it's not even New York. It's Globex Asia, the slowest and the dumbest session of all, I guess. For now, it's never been like this, but I mean, it's been pretty bad. Tiger is not a patient trader. The swing account is for patient traders. I'm very, very patient, by the way. It does look like I'm not patient trading on the trading on these accounts, but anyways, the perception when I'm live streaming could be a little different, right? So I'm not like, you know, if that's how it kind of feels like I'm an impatient trader, then it is what it is, right? All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here. I'm down about $27. We were up quite nicely, but I'm just gonna hold on to this trade, guys. I've got 4 contracts, you know, my average here at 720, and I'm gonna look for a bounce back up again. What up, Carlos Dordan? I see that D 3469. Holy cow, man, what a name. Flip and Fills, nice, I like that. Pro Trader, what is going on, man? Samuel, where is the link for this PDS account? Black Mamba. Oh, guys, man, I will share that link. Just 1 second, guys. I'm trying to set something up. Ah, damn it. God, you've got to be kidding, bro. Just 1 second, guys. Very annoying. Where's the freaking timer? All right. Oh, missed the pullback? What do you mean? Oh, we are getting a bounce, guys. Oh, nice. I like that. I'm gonna take one off the table right now, guys.
Canceled.
I'm gonna take one off the table. The bounce looks pretty good. I like this bounce. And yeah, I've taken one off the table. I'm down to 3 now. Maybe I may take one more off right here, guys. I kind of like to the upside, to be honest. So, well, let's try to take one more off at 750 and kind of hold on to the rest, guys, and see how it goes. Beautiful bounce. Yeah, that was really a nice bounce, guys. I kind of like it. Finally, the Globex Asia kind of working out nicely here for us. I hope you guys caught that move to the upside, everybody. Is anybody trading right now? If you guys are, congrats, everyone. Congrats. Congratu Mochaccino. All right. Oh my God, look at that pullback here. Nasty. I don't like that at all. Ugh. It's really hard to make anything out of this. All right, so 740 here we are. Let's see, guys. By the way, guys, I want to give you a little heads up. You guys may hear a trombone today. You know, the trombone sound that you heard last week. You guys gonna hear that again today. My apologies. Heads up. Don't get mad at me. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a warning right now. Right? You guys are the one, the reason why StockTiger is here. All right, guys, man. Oh my God, look at that. Ugh. That's a problem. When I get a little excited, this market tanks. I better start being grumpy here every day, so that way this market kind of rips. What is the trend line for the future reversal around 25,780? I kind of feel like 780 would be an area of a key level of resistance. And kind of coincides with the nice, beautiful resistance zone, right? Previously, it was a resistance. We got a big fat rejection off that level earlier, right? As you guys can see here, we got a rejection there, and we got a rejection here as well. So let's just take a look at it again, right? So here we are, man. This is a big level of resistance, a major level of resistance, I would say. And then guess what? You know, we got a nice, beautiful pivot here. If you just take a look from a bigger time frame, you see that drawing there I drew, and that's what I was talking about, right? Right? You see this line here coming down. So that's the pivot there. I do kind of feel like we try to get to that point, and we may try to, I mean, not necessarily it's going to happen that way all the time, but I mean, we could get a rejection of that level, and then maybe try to pull back and try to retest the high again later, right? So this was our initial idea, and it's kind of playing out nicely. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna be down to 2 contracts now. Let's see, guys. Yeah, that's what I said. I think this probably the 780 zone could be the level. All right, we're getting a nice little bounce here, guys. The piano music is gone. It's no longer in existence, and that's time to say goodbye. Wouldn't let me close my trade. Oh my God, trade a cat, man. What are you talking about? Yeah, trade of 8 is well, it's gonna close. Just give a minute or 2. Hopefully by then you're in a big fat green.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys, I took one more off the table. Holy guys, look at this bounce, man. Let's just try to make like 100 and maybe $200, guys. I'll be happy with $200 on this trade. Actually, you know what? How much do I have to make? I have to be $100 and above to count it as a day on a 25K account on a with oh my God, guys, man, this bounce is real. I wanna, guys.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Guys, I'm gonna add, guys. I'm gonna add. I'm going a little bit aggressive right now, guys. Let's my target $200, guys, on this until 760 to 770. This is my ultimate target area, guys. That's
Order
what I'm looking
submitted.
at.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I kind of like what I see, but you got to be a little careful. Like, I can't get too overly aggressive because we could also get a pullback. We're in a Globex Asia. I mean, if it's normally the New York, I would be like, you know, maybe up to 15 contracts by now. But because it's Globex, very fluid, this market could just tank all the way down just right now. Suddenly it would do that, right? But it looks pretty bullish. Lot of buying pressure, guys. We got a lot of buyers stepping in right now. I kind of feel like, you know, we could, you know, get back into the 770s here before we start to get some kind of a pullback here. All right, guys, good luck everybody, man, if you guys are trading this. All right. Oh, it was Tokyo, by the way. It was Tokyo that's open now. I completely forgot about that. Thanks for letting me know. NKD.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I can't trade NKD.
Order.
Guys, man,
Order
we're getting a
filled.
nice little pop
Order.
here, man. I
Order
love
filled.
it. I love it, guys. This is a big fat trade.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh my god.
Order.
Oh
Order
my god,
filled.
guys, I'm down to one now.
Order.
Order filled.
The $200 trade on that bad boy. Oh yeah, I
Order.
did my
Order
trade, guys.
filled.
$216, guys. All right, I'm gonna move to the next. Oh my god, this woo. This
Order
funded
submitted.
account
Order
trades are
submitted.
looking pretty decent
Order
here today.
submitted.
All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Oh dear.
Order.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys. I'm looking for that pullback here and then try to go long on a different account, which is great,
Order submitted.
which is beautiful, guys. We took the we took a profit. What a perfect timing, guys. We took profit on that very high what it called right at the top there at 770, and then we flipped to a different account, and I placed my limit order right underneath the 760, and with one contract, one micro, and I'm obviously gonna scale into this trade on a pullback here, but pretty good stuff, man. Site
Order.
close.
Order
What is up,
filled.
man? Where are you today? I'm here. I'm trading live. What are you talking about? I'm here in front of my fellow traders and trading live. Oh, guys, man, we are getting a pullback here. A bit of a concern. Now it's a big fat rejection off that level, man. I've got 2 contracts, man. I don't think I can be any more than that. Guys, don't forget, I'm trading my 25K account, man. I don't really have a lot of drawdown. Oh, you're looking for me during the day. Oh. Yeah, man. During the day, I was hiding in my closet. Yeah, I was hiding in my closet, crying after getting wrecked on my trade with gold last night. I have no idea why I keep trading gold. I mean, don't get me wrong. I trade probably like out of 10, 15 trades, I get into probably 1 or 2 trades with gold. But every time I try to get into gold trade 1 or 2 times, you guys know what happens. StockTiger gets
Order.
oh, guys,
Order
man, we are
filled.
getting a nice
Order.
little pop
Order
here, guys.
filled.
1 second.
Order.
Order filled.
Let's see, guys, man. This could be an important area. I may have taken a little bit of a risk here.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
I've got 6 micro, but then we could this could be a little bit of a setup for a pullback here down. That's what I'm kind of a little concerned about, right? This is what I wouldn't mind adding to my shop long position on a pullback further down into the 740s, but yeah, there we go, guys, man. Look at that, a little bit of a rejection there. I'm already down 80 bucks, $100. So let's see. I've got $1,200 of drawdown on this. So 6 micros. I think I should be able to handle this. I should be able to handle this. It should be, I don't know, we'll see. 741. Yeah, pretty oversold, down into the 40s. $744. Yeah, we could get a pullback here. I've got 6 contracts, so definitely a little bit of a risk play. I don't know. What is that tickets? What tickets are you talking about? What ticket? I'm not sure what tickets are you talking about, but look at that, guys. We are pulling back here now. Oh dear. I don't like this pull back here. I'm down $200. I still have like $1,000 drawdown, but let's yeah, we could hold on one second.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
And that's a pretty ugly pullback here. I gotta be careful, guys. We end up just constantly getting pullback here. That's no good.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
I don't know. It looked pretty bullish, but now all of a sudden we are underneath all the EMAs, so this could be a bit of a fake for all you know. So
order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I've got 15 contracts now, man. This could be in a little bit of a trouble here. I better be careful here, guys. I'm playing with the fire. We are right underneath all the EMAs, so we could also get a rejection. But the thing is, right, from an RSI standpoint, we are pretty oversold, and we've also got a nice little support here in that 730 zone. So let's see if we can actually hold and try to see if we can actually get a little bounce back up again. And if flush it down, we could see this thing pull back into the 715 for all you know. But I'm long right now with 15 contracts, guys, right? And I'm kind of using this 730 as an area of a support. And if we break underneath that 730 and it doesn't hold, then I think I'm gonna have to start thinking about exiting my trade. If this is going to be you know, a pretty bearish overall in the next couple hours, then of course I don't want this thing slow grind to the downside, and all you know, I may end up blowing my account, just like what I've done I think 3 days ago. So I've got $900 drawdown remaining on this account, so very risky, but again, I'm taking my chances. We'll see. 15 contracts is actually quite a lot, considering it's just a 25k account, but we are in that support area. Let's see if we can actually hold this, guys. we could just pull back here, all you know, for all you know. So yeah, I don't want to add any more, just to kind of bring my average down. At yeah, if this market truly wants to get a bounce, it's gonna get a bounce whether I try to average my cost further down, you know what I mean? So I might as well just leave it there at 744. How much more of a 1 second. Oh my god, min max infinity. Who is in max infinity? Is that J-Min? I don't know. It almost kind of feels like J-Min, but I could be wrong. J-Min with 4 mini contracts. I think I kind of feel like it's J-Min. J-Min loves four mini contracts. All right, by the way, guys, we are getting a nice little pop here, man. I love it, guys. This is what a beautiful trade, guys. Oh my god, let's just hold this, guys. Let's just hold this freaking thing. I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm gonna hold this, guys. Let's see if we can actually get a nice little pop here, man. Do not fade me down, please. Come on, man. You can't be doing that to me.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
You want to get a bounce? Let's do it right now, guys. You want to get a bounce? I'm gonna hold on to this. I'm gonna try and trust this trade here, and not flush down, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'll be pissed if this thing pulls back now. Oh my god, look at that. All right. I should have downsized, yeah. Made a little mistake there. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding, guys. You've got to be kidding. Downsize king. The king of downsizing, StockTiger, didn't do that today, which is great. Now, do not blame the market, because you did not manage your risk as well as should be. Maybe I'll try to take it off right here, guys. Maybe.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's try
Order
to see.
Submitted.
Yeah, looks. I hope this isn't a rejection of that level, man. It almost kind of feels a bearish rejection there at 750. Oh my god. There we go, man. There we go. Is there a rejection there? That's an absolute... Is it going to be a bearish head and shoulders now as well? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. We'll see, man. If I'm long right here, guys. I'm long. Maybe I get what I want. Maybe, I don't know. We'll wait and see, guys. I'm really trying to stay patient on this. Oh, patient StockTiger. Patient StockTiger. Trying to be really patient. I don't know if that's gonna work out, though. We'll see. We are at a very, very important point of control here. The bulls and the bears kind of battle out. It could, honestly, I'm leaning more to the upside, but it could be 50-50 at this point for all you know. We are right at this trend line support, and we got a nice little support here as well at 735. But if we can't hold this, man, this thing could just flush it down all the way back into 700, and then I'll be like average costing, and the next thing you know, this accounts is not even there anymore. So I would prefer for a little quick bounce back into the 750, and I'll try to bring my my contract size down, right? I think my ultimate goal right now is to try and downsize my contract, right? This is my goal. Oh, what a moment, guys. We are kind of witnessing now. Let's see, guys. Trying to stay a little patient. We'll see if this kind of play out. 741. Guys, don't forget, we've got giveaway happening right now as you speak. Type in the tiger. type in Tiger to give yourself a chance to get a ticket and participate on this giveaway. And I'll call out the winner as soon as we get to 150 likes, guys. So do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And thank you so much. I love you guys. And thanks for being here as well every day with us, every day, guys. Over 400 viewers. Thank you so much. Mucho gracias, everybody. Kupoo. Oh my god, can you guys believe that? You've got to be kidding, guys, man. 740. Oh my god. Incredible. Incredible. That's a big fat rejection there. I'm in trouble now. Unless we get a bounce. And don't forget, if you are the winner of this Apex giveaway, your activation is only gonna be $40. Obviously, if that promo, it's still running. If that promo ends, then it's no longer $40 activation. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys, I'm in trouble now. We just broke underneath a very important level. Oh my god. We really better get a bounce or else I'm in trouble. I'm down. Jeez, man. Piss off.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order cancelled.
I've got 20 contracts here, great. 20 contracts, man, guys. And I'm really trying to downsize my contract on a bounce. I don't know if we are gonna get that. It's a tough call. That's all I can say. It's a tough call. Yeah, I've got 20 micros right now. Well, I may be in trouble right now, for all you know. Oh, you just see a Head and Shoulders? I kind of saw that, but I don't know. I mean, if we want to validate that, it's gotta obviously get a rejection, right? Let's try to look for a quick bounce back into the 745, so I can kind of like try to exit. Well, not exit my trade, but at least try to trim my position down. I would love to trim my position down to 5 if I can. I don't know if we are able to do that, man. Looks kind of murky. Looks like it's struggling to kind of hold, but I think the more we kind of hold, I think the bulls are in a favor. So
order cancelled. Order cancelled.
do I get a chance? Do we get a chance, guys, man? Do we or no? Oh my god. Guys, man, you've got to be kidding, man. You just can't get above this 745, guys, man. Just can't get above this 745. Oh my god.
Order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try and downsize trim my position here, guys, man. I don't want to get too exposed. I want to make sure I'm kind of like protected, right? My goal is not to make big profits, right? My goal is to kind of really try to protect my account because I've got $1,200 of drawdown, and by trying to have 7 contracts right now, I've got to be right, $1,200 drawdown on this bad boy. So
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
all right, guys, I'm gonna look for a target 768, guys. We're gonna try and hold on to this account. So not on this account, try to hold on to this trade for a little bit longer if I can. And yeah, we're barely holding, but for now it's kind of holding, right? So yeah, I'm leaning more to the upside, guys. My hard stop is probably gonna be in this area right here.
Order
I don't place
submitted.
a hard stop right there, guys. I may be wrong, who knows? Nobody knows. But at least I do know that I'm gonna take my profit
Order
off the table
submitted.
along the way as we get a bounce back up again. All right, hold 800. You guys think it's 800? Holding my blow up. Nothing's changed. We're holding. Look for 50 minutes, bro. All right, guys, I'm gonna hold on to this. Okay, I'm gonna hold on. All right, guys, I'm gonna hold on to this trade. Okay, we'll see. I've got a hard stop at 714, and of course, if we try to get a breakout, I'm gonna trail my stop back into like 725. Guys. The reason why I trade the funded accounts during the Globex Asia is because I try my level best to trade. It's not easy, but I try. And the reason I do that is because I get a chance to trade something else during the day, right? So it's always kind of like give you that, you know, you can put your attention to something else, right, during the day. And that's what it is. How come you don't have an account, Captain Price? What happened? Well, thank you guys for being here, guys. We got over 400 viewers. It's yeah, what a
Order
filled.
Guys, 1 second. We are getting a bounce here right now. I think we kind of broke out. Let's see if we can actually hold this now and try to continue moving back into the initial high at 768. That's a swing high, sorry, not initial high, swing high. ICT trader. How y'all making out today, guys? Y'all making good trades? Banking? Oh my god, man, we are pulling back now. Damn it. Do you know if tomorrow will be a regular hour? Guys, man, somebody let me know. I have no idea as well. Hank the Tank, what is going on, man? Randy Diaz, Austin, what is up, man? Hoover Flag Trader, what up? Christian, the Lizard, Monica, Tiger's on a fun mode. Mode or mood? Ask anything now, he'll get. Ask anything now, guys. Don't ask me anything, okay?
Order
Order
filled.
Don't ask me anything, guys, please. Just every time I forget thinking about my trades, that's when I feel good. Put it that way. The soon as I start to think about my trades and my accounts and my payouts, that's when things go south. Anyways, I guess the more I smile, the market's pumping, so I guess that's a good thing. It's a regular day tomorrow. All right, so I guess you guys got an answer. The market's regular tomorrow, guys. It's a full day trading, which is great for us. How have you done today, money wise, homie? Mixed bag. I lost a couple accounts. Yeah, for me, not a good day. I'll be honest. Overall, not a good day. So, and it all started trading gold, by the way. StockTiger and the gold trades. You guys know it's a nice, beautiful combination. StockTiger plus gold equal what? A complete annihilation. Can you trade Apex accounts on bank holiday? I mean, as long as the market is open, you can trade Apex accounts, no problem. I just suck at trading gold. That's all it is, man. Nothing I can do, right? Nothing I can do. It's just every time I get into gold trade, that's when I start to kind of fall apart. Because that's when I get pissed. Because obviously, gold destroys StockTiger mentally, and then that's when I start to get into bad trades, and then I have a bad day. That's it. You know, it's very annoying sometimes, but nothing much I can do other than just keep trading and forget about gold, I guess. I don't know. I just can't do it with gold, guys, man. Something about me and the gold. I just can't do it. I raise my hand now. It's it. It's it. No gold, guys. Forget it. Forget it. Go away. Go away. Done with the gold. Damn it. No gold means, you know what? I'll be honest. Gold really destroyed a lot of my my progress. Put it that way. Even though I have a decent progress so far from an overall grand scheme standpoint, but it could have been much better if I did not get into gold trades. So bad. So bad. I'm so pissed. Stay away from the shiny object. Yeah, man. I'm just to the opposite of what you think with gold, man. I have no idea, man. Gold is like, it's just gonna sit there, right? The problem with the gold is just, oh my god, look at this gold. Are you kidding me? Did we actually get a balanced gold right now? See, guess what, guys? What I had in my mind. You have to think about what I had in my mind. I was like, okay, I've got to get into a trade. This is the first thing it came to me when I looked at the gold right now. I was like, okay, enter a trade. Long gold. God, man. Now, if I try to long gold, obviously you're gonna get a pullback here, right? I don't know, man. We'll leave gold. I'll leave the gold chart here for the sake of you guys. I think a lot of you guys are trading gold right now, so maybe it's a good thing I leave it there. But yeah, guys, man, guys, I'm telling you, if I long gold, you guys know what you guys have to do, right? I don't mind you guys fading me all day. I'm totally okay. If it's gonna make you guys money, I'm totally good with that. If I long gold, you guys short gold, and guess what? You guys bank, and StockTiger lose an account. It's okay. You blow many accounts trading gold, man. Gold, honestly, it's, I don't know, man. I may be smiling right now, but down the bottom of my heart, I'm like crying. Tears coming out from my eyes. In my heart right now, guys. The gold has destroyed StockTiger. Alright guys, don't worry, Carlos, Jordan. I wouldn't be shorting gold. Do not worry. Guys, man, just and right, I tried to delete the gold from my chart. I did that so many times. And at the end, guess what I did? I brought it back again. What an effing idiot, right? I deleted that gold from the Project X, right? I did that so many times. And guess what I did? I brought it back again. I brought it back again. I traded and I blew my account. And the same repetition. StockTiger never learned, man. He's an idiot. That's it. And guess what? While we are yapping right now, the NQ is getting a bounce. Love you guys. Thank you so much. We are banking right now with the funded accounts, guys. Let's kill it. I need my payouts, guys. My payouts hasn't changed just yet. You know, so far I'm kind of still targeting 30K for the month of November, guys. I'm kind of getting a little bit of a little bit shaken right now with the market. Seems like it's easy, but it's really not, right? It sounds easy because we are obviously just keep moving to the upside, but overall, I'm having usually when I say I'm having a good month is when I get 3-4 days of a continue winning streak, right? That's when I usually have a good month. But right now it's like one bad day, one good day, one mixed day, one great day, and one another bad day, right? So it's kind of like up and down, pretty much a roller coaster for me in November so far. But accounts are building. Let's put it that way. Accounts are building. We're getting to where we really have to. I'm seeing some good progress, even though some firms I'm kind of really bad right now as we speak. One of them is Billionox. I just did a little bit of a step away. I said, I'm not gonna. I love Billionox. I love trading Billionox, but just one of those moments where I'm just not good at it right now. Right, so taking a little step back here. That's it. We'll see how it goes. Overall, it's been a pretty decent, I would say, pretty consistent, if you will. So we'll see, guys. We got still how many days? Still got like 20 days to go for the month to be over. So 20 more days. I think that's a lot of days, right? A lot of days. Anyways, guys, the market's trying to get a bounce back again, so that's great. The market's trying to get a bounce back again, guys. Back into 752. Right, looks like it's trying to curl back up again, guys. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. We want to get this giveaway going here. If you guys don't mind, mucho, everybody. Oh, we got Alfred in the house. Panda Trader, what up, man? Dan Ammons, it's never easy. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I thought I saw Alfred, gold is wild. It will take more than it gives. Yeah, I know, man. Gold will just destroy you if you are on the wrong side. So pretty much, I think when I to summarize the gold, I kind of feel like it's got zero tolerance, right? It doesn't have the tolerance at all, right? So if you're on the wrong side trading gold in any sessions, I think it's just gonna destroy your account. That's it. Simple. You have to be on the right side. You cannot just simply just try to quickly scalp, because it's just not gonna give you a chance to be able to be in that trade for long, because it's just gonna once it moves, it goes so fast, right? Boom, like a speed train. And next thing you know, you're kind of destroyed. Anyways, guys, we're sitting at 750. We're getting a bounce right now. Let's see if we can actually continue pushing here back into the swing high here. 768, guys, that's my target. I'm looking to see if I can actually get to over $200 of profit. Actually, I don't even need $200, because I think $100 will count it as a day. So I don't know, but I'm gonna trim my stop now, guys, back into, I would say, 738. I'll take one off the table right now. I'm down to 4 now, guys. Sorry, I'm down to 3.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I am let's try to see if I can actually hold this, guys. Maybe we have an extension move here to the upside, so you have to cut the losers fast in gold. Yeah, I mean, blink of an eye, it's moving, so I don't know if I have a chance to kind of like cut my losing trade pretty quickly, trading gold. You have scalping, it reverses faster. Yeah, that's the problem with trading gold, Alfred. And on top of that, I kind of suck at trading gold, so it's like an absolute scary to trade gold for me. You know, I'll tell you what, the bottom line of the story, StockTiger, just get the hell out of gold. Like, do not get near gold. That's it. And I told you guys, 2026, which is next year, we're just 2 months away from next year. That's it. No more gold. Gold is just not in my dictionary anymore. Put it that way. My only concern is we have a lot of my fellow traders, not just on my YouTube chat, but we also have a lot of traders on our Discord trading gold, and that's the problem. So as soon as I hear gold, it's like StockTiger, like it's I don't know. As soon as I hear gold, it's like, okay, well, okay, let's take a look at the gold, and the gold is shining, it's moving, right? And I want to be part of that process, and that's a big problem. I know Alfred tried to warn me. Yeah, everybody tried to warn me, including Alfred, but I just keep going in. I don't know why. What is up with that? I have no idea. I still jump in. I'm like, you know what? The GC symbol is not even on that Project X, right? And I end up taking it back again, including it, and I'm trading it again. You know, I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure a lot of my fellow traders right now on this YouTube chat probably is also kind of like struggling that way. And if you are one of those traders, we share the same problem right now. Yeah, perfect play, addiction, yeah. I wish it's an addiction problem, man. I wish. I don't think that's what it is, but how's it going, perfect play? I haven't talked to you in a long time, man. How's Ontario trading you? And what are you doing too? Are you still doing your file lines? All right, so far we are kind of holding this area, so let's see if we can actually I think the more we kind of hold this, I think we try to push back into the swing high at 770 area. Trading on small fund. Nice, perfect play. Well, great to see you every day here, so glad to see you, and glad to see you doing well as well. So Yeah, toxic FX, man. I can't. I can't. Moon Turtle, what is up, man? How about to get the squeeze on NQ, but you don't know which direction it's gonna be? What's rap? We're gonna get a squeeze, but you don't know which direction. That's a pretty scary statement there. All right, guys, man. I think the gold is very bullish. I think the gold is very bullish, guys. I'm long gold, guys. I'm long gold.
Order submitted.
I'm with one micro. I'm long gold, 1 micro, guys.
Order submitted.
1 micro, okay? It's okay. I think I should be able to do it with my micro. You know, honestly, I could probably do a good job with gold if I can downsize. Probably 1 or 2 micro, right? I think I should be able to do it. Oh my god, guys, look at this. NQ getting a pullback here. I don't know. I don't like the way it's thumping right now, to be honest. I don't like it at all. Alright, guys, I'll exit that NQ trade, guys. I'll exit that NQ trade. Just doesn't look very promising. We got a rejection. Let's see. I'll try to go long on a pullback here, guys, on NQ. And I'm long right now already in trading gold. Yeah, I know. We already talked about this. What the heck are you doing, StockTiger? Trading gold now all of a sudden again. Like, get the hell out of there. Alright, guys, I exited my gold trade. I exited my gold trade, guys. I wasn't supposed to trade gold, right? We talked about this. And not even like a day ago. Just been like few minutes. And I'm back in gold trading. What an amazing... oh my god, look at that bounce. My god. Austin, StockTiger, what's the best prop firm? Oh man, it's really hard to say. I'll be honest, it's so hard to tell you the #1 prop firm. If you ask me the top 5 without giving you a rank of what is 1 and what is 2, in my humble opinion, the top 5 without giving you that #1 ranking, okay? No ranking here. Top 5, all good. I think Take Profit Trader, Apex, Funding Ticks, Top Step, and one more. I'm not sure what it is, but I do kind of feel like, you know, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Funding Ticks, Top Step could be my top 4, right? But I cannot tell you which one's better than the other, in my opinion, right? And that's my honest opinion. And I'm not really, you know, it's not like I'm trying to pick something over the other just because I'm an affiliate, right? I'm just giving you my humble opinion. That's it. And that's just me. So I don't know. But I kind of feel like this could be my top 4. This could be my top 4. Yeah. And I don't know, what are your top 4? Maybe somebody let me know. What are your top 4? Maybe you guys want to share? Tristan says trade day. Trade day, I wouldn't mind trade day. But trade day, for me, the trade day is fine, but the reason why it doesn't really make sense to me is because trade day, first of all, it's a little bit more pricey. That's #1. The price is just not making sense to me. And then on top of that, every time you go beyond $5,000, it's up to their discretion to move you to live. And on top of that, I can't go live, right? Because I live in a different world, right? Right, that's the real reason why I can't trade trade day. But let's take a look. We've got Twinkie, Cake Jess says Top Step, Take Profit Trader, Apex is their top 3. Okay, well, we're kind of similar, right? Mango says Top Step and Lucid is all you have. Okay, well, that kind of makes sense too. Tristan says Trade Day. Black Mamba says Top Step. Yeah, so I guess we are all kind of like in a similar in that page, right? All right, guys. Anyways, let's. I'm gonna go long
Order
here,
filled.
Order filled.
and I'm gonna try
Order
and
submitted.
scale to my
Order
position on a
submitted.
pullback here, guys. On NQ. That's what happens. Yeah. Alpha's just making fun of me today. I'm feeling very embarrassed. Tristan, I think I paid $65 for this trade day, but you're paying 65 for intraday, right? Sorry, not intraday, trading drawdown accounts, right? So you can pay for that amount. You can pay funding ticks for $65 on end of day drawdown. With the target, the profit target, it's only $2,500 as well. So yeah, 0 Day J has a live account. Yeah, I know that. Yeah. That's great for 0 Day J. Is a great trader, right? So live trader. Yeah, apart from my top step, it's gone. You're an FTP program, really, Twinkie? You're oh, you can hear a trumpet, yeah. Yeah, Wayne Simpson. Yeah, sorry, man. Today is one of those days. My apologies, guys. Do not get too upset. It's not an everyday thing. Just one of those days. My apologies. I mean, not a bad start to the day, to be honest. It looks like we are
Order
getting some
filled.
kind of a bounce, guys.
Order
Order
filled.
Alright,
filled.
guys, I've got 3 micro
Order
now.
submitted. Order submitted.
Oh no, hold on, guys. I'm gonna exit
Order
that trade.
filled.
Let's see if we can actually get a little pullback down again. Try to go long
Order
on a
submitted.
pullback here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, trade day. Maybe I should trade day. Yeah, I don't know if that's kind of worth it for me though, right? Because as soon as I get $5,000 profit, they're gonna move me to live, and then it's like, well, then Emmons, you made $4,500 in your listed direct to funded account today, so now you need 45. I think you've mentioned that so many times, man. Oh, the power paid out 20% consistency rule cooked. Yeah. Well, that's a lot of money you made today. It's $4,500, man. You need to make 22,000. That's right. Yeah, you're right. $22,000, man. That's gonna take you a long time. It almost kind of reminds me of my tick trader. I made $10,000 in one single day, and that was on my I think it was a 100K account or 150. I'm not sure. But I needed to make like $50,000 on that account. I ended up blowing because I was kind of like pressuring myself to get into bigger trades because I needed to make that much to get to
Order
payout,
filled.
right? So, all right, guys, we are getting a pullback here in NQ, and so let's see, guys, man. There was a trap there. I kind of smelled it was a trap, man. I knew it. Not sure if that's more cooked than just blowing. I mean, for me, it started off getting cooked, and then it ended up getting blown. I mean, my tick trader was really nice. That was my first ever direct to funded account that I had ever, tick trader. And you know what? It's a pretty good account I had. It's just that I just needed too much profit to keep that thing going and to get the payouts, and it was really hard. You know, every time when you kind of get into that situation, it's you know, it's tough. So just be careful. I think you should be able to do it, Dan Emmons. You're a great trader, so I know you're gonna get it, but just be a little more cautious, right? That consistency is a little bit of a trap, at least from my perspective, right? For me, if you ask me what are those traps, or I think the consistency rules are trap for me. The number of days you can actually pass your accounts. So if it's a day one, like 1 day to pass accounts, those are a little bit of a trap to me, right? it's good and bad, right? You can end up passing, but can you actually pass all of your accounts in one go? It's gonna be tough, right? You're gonna do a lot of YOLO trades because it's one day to pass, and you end up blowing a lot more account as well because it's a one-day pass, and that's the problem. Distant, right? Keep making $100-$200 a day average. Well, that's the problem, right? Everybody keeps saying that just make a few $100s, but the thing is, when am I gonna be able to take a lot of payouts using that account with 20% consistency? You know what I mean? Or maybe you make like, you know, $5,000 every day. Maybe you have a chance, but then even then your payout is kind of capped, right? You can, the max you can actually take out is about a couple thousand bucks, right? So don't apologize. Cannot master anything if you don't practice. Born to a win. What is going on, man? Great magician there. Forced to trade large. Yeah, they force you to gamble. That's the, yeah, exactly. That's the catch, right? So I kind of feel like, you know, maybe in that 30% to 40% consistency, it feels like a sweet spot for me. You know, the 40% is actually good. I can kind of deal with 35 to 30 maybe at max, like 30% for Apex. Like if you make 9 to 1,000 bucks every day, it's good. So anyways, guys, back into this trading now. I'm not sure where this is going. We're kind of like stuck in that range, a pretty hard range here, while the gold is kind of moving. Gold on the highs, yeah, man. The gold looks like it wants to rip and go like straight to not even Mars. I don't know where it's trying to get to. What's his final destination? It looks pretty scary, guys. I'm on a 30-minute chart. Can this thing be any more bullish than what it kind of looks like right now on this gold? This gold looks absolutely wants to rip. Like, I want to be like full porting right now in this gold. Gold has been, it's been a while since we've been so bullish in gold, right? Because every time we try to bounce, we kept getting a pullback, and it's like finally we're getting some kind of a move here. I don't know, but I still wouldn't be trading gold for me because I've got to really try to reframe myself. Anyway, guys, thank you so much everybody for being here. Love you guys. But where did the likes go, guys? What the hell's going on here? Still over 400 viewers and only 3 likes. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and scale into my trade, man.
Order filled.
Through this market, guys. I'm gonna get long right now. Full port this bad boy. Ooh, baby.
Order
filled.
Oh, look at that, guys. That was a pretty oh, once I'm gonna exit that trade. Try to go long here again, back down. I was just kidding about the likes, man. Don't worry, guys. I still love you guys. You guys being here itself, it's really all we need. Oh, likes at 122, really? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong number, damn it. Sorry, guys, it's my fault. Alright, guys, I think it's that time of the day to call out the winner.
Order filled.
Call out the winner. Oh my god, guys, 1 second. 1 second. We're gonna have to call out the winner now. We are gonna call out the winner. It's that time of the day, guys. It's that time of the day, everybody. I'm gonna close the what do you call this? I'm gonna close the giveaway. Okay. I'm gonna close it, guys. And do not chase anymore. Typing tiger, guys. Do not chase anymore. The time is up. Oh my god, man. The market's pulling back. I think the market's very unhappy with me calling out the winner now.
Order filled.
Oh dear, man. I'm with 2 contracts now. Jeez.
Order submitted.
Alright guys, 1 second. I'm gonna have to exit
filled.
this trade. I can barely make anything out of this market, guys. Barely. I've got 1 micro right now. We'll see. Alright, good luck everybody if you guys are participating on this giveaway. I'm gonna close the entries now, guys. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Tough market, but we're in this minis and micros, yeah. Alright, I've closed the entries. Guys. Oh my god. I've closed the entries. You had all day to type in Tiger. I see some of you guys coming in now, but what the heck is going on right now? Alright guys, I'm gonna open it for like another 1 minute. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna give 1 more minute for you guys to enter. Yeah, I know, man. What the hell? Alright guys, I'm gonna close the entry now. Oh my god, we are getting a bounce in this market. Oh my. I think the market's really excited here, you guys. Oh dear, we are getting a breakout.
Order
filled.
Order
Filled.
Because I've got 3 micros in this trade. No, I have definitely given up on gold for sure. Are you gonna be kidding me?
Order submitted.
I'm gonna exit that
Order.
trade.
Order
Oh my
filled.
god, look at that, guys. What a freaking fake me, StockTiger. Alright guys, I'm gonna close the entry now. Alright guys, good luck everybody. And that pissed me off absolutely. What is this market doing? The market really hasn't decided, but I mean, I had pretty decent trade today. All green, right? So I'll take it, right? All 3 greens. I haven't traded anything else really other than that, but so far not a bad day. Okay, oh, by the way, yeah, sorry guys, sorry. You guys know that song? Sorry. I don't know if you guys know, but that was a pretty popular what was it called again? I can't remember. What was the group name? I forgot their group name. Alright guys, I'm gonna call out the winner now. Good luck everybody once again. The market still hasn't decided what it really wants to do, so. Oh, Super Junior, yeah, that's right, yeah, Super Junior. Thank you so much, Andy Tang. You are the champion. Oh my god, I can't believe that. Andy Tang, man. You know way better than I do. Super Junior, there we go. Super Junior. Alright. Alright guys, good luck everybody. I am gonna call out the winner now. Coach Fred. Oh my god, Coach Fred is the winner. Is it real? Coach Fred. Is this the Coach Fred that I know? We have a winner here, you guys. Coach Fred. Is this the Coach Fred? We have a winner here, you guys. Coach Fred. I think he's that Coach Fred that we know from Montreal. He's Canadian too. But I don't know if he's here. But he's got 24 hours to kind of claim the Apex account. So if anybody sees Coach Fred somewhere else, please let him know that claim And if he doesn't want to, that's totally fine too. Congrats, Coach Fred, for winning that Apex account giveaway. It's time to pass that account and pay $40 activation. Love ya. Mucho. Oh my god, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Look at this nasty pullback here. My god. My god. All right, so now the gold looks like we are getting a small little pullback here in gold. In the meanwhile, the NQ is kind of like chopping really hard. Wow, it's not even a bounce we are getting at all. Not even a bounce, not even a pullback. Just kind of like stalled in that range, and that's a really tight range as well. So. Made your money in gold, really? Nice, man. Nice, nice, nice. I like that. I like that, brother. Oh my god, look how choppy this market is, man. How the heck do you trade this bad boy? Up, down in that 10 points range. Oh, we got Shanghai open now? Shanghai is open. Ooh. Your channel keeps going in and out. What does that mean, Anthony? I'm not sure what that means, brother. Guys, the giveaway, it's we got a winner already, so your video feed buffers, really? Are you guys having any trouble with my streaming, live streaming? Oh guys, man, look at this, man. I wonder if I try to go long here, go a little bit aggressive, am I gonna get what is market gonna try and do? I should have got a little aggressive, but the thing is, right, this is the problem. We are all constantly getting a fake, guys. Be careful if you guys are trading this market. It's just not easy because it keeps getting denied at that level, right? So yeah, it's really hard to trade. It's really hard right now. Definitely having a little bit of a tough time trying to gauge where this market's gonna go. Yeah, what a rough market. It's this chop is real, guys. It's not easy. I mean, as much as I'm trying to get into a trade, it's I don't know what this market's trying to do. No issues with the stream for me. Thanks, man. Biochemical SCI. What a nice name there. Had to go long gold. Oh my god. So we got a lot of traders going long. Very, very tempting. It's not hard, just not enough volume on the after hour. Yeah, that's true too. Looks like a major selling at 749. Yeah, we're I think eventually we try to break out. I think that's what its market's trying to do, right? Oh, we had a chance to kind of pull back all the way back down, but we're kind of holding, right? This could be a little bit of a bottoming process, a short-term bottoming process, right? So we could potentially break out of this area at 750 and then try to retest the high here at 770. I kind of like the idea of a buy the dip for now. And by the way, guys, man, thank you so much, all of you, for always being here with us. And so does the demo account move the market? No, the demo account does not move the market unless the prop firms are using your trades to copy trade into the real accounts. You know what I mean? Which maybe is, which may be what they do sometimes. I don't know. But I wouldn't be surprised if they actually copy trade your accounts. Guys, so what's annoying is Tradify sent an email to everybody saying that they're gonna revive the accounts, the affected accounts, but I don't know, they put it like 5 minutes, right? The affected accounts between, say, 350 to 355, so it's like a 5 minutes range. Is that right? I don't know if I'm not reading that correctly, but did anybody's account got adjusted now with for Tradify and Lucid and anything else? Maybe it could be day trader as well, for all you know. But all right, so we are trying to call back up again right now to see. Your stream is buffering again. Is it me or is it you? I don't think that's me. Maybe it's a trombone behind the scene that's lagging the stream. I mean, I would love to go. I'd love to trade right now, but it's just not like, it's just not giving any kind of a reason to enter a trade. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to be just caught on the wrong side. Let's wait for a little bit of a confirmation here, right? So let's wait for a little confirmation, you know, just a little confirmation. It's okay, right? We're all patient. I'm a little impatient, like what somebody said, but still very patient, I would say. Anyways, guys, let's see if we can actually hold this now. We may not. Depends. Yeah. Somebody asked me the funding ticks. It may be 20%, but once you load in the 1K payout cap, it's only like 68 bucks. But then when you add that, $68, and when if you have to reset, it's only $58. It's 58 or 59. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but I think it's $59 to reset the 50K account. So it's really cheap, right? I think not a lot of you traders realize that, you know, the resetting of that 50K account on the funding ticks is probably one of the cheapest in the space. One way or the other, come back tomorrow, we'll surely have stream is fine. Isn't it your neighbor? No, it's not my neighbor, it's upstairs. All right, we are trying to break out, but every time we try to break out, we get a rejection there and starts to get a pullback here, right? So, I don't know. I'm just not feeling very comfortable, if you will. We'll see how it goes. I mean, yeah, I'm tempted to try and long, but the thing is, right, we could start to get a bit of rejection of this 750 area. It almost kind of feels like the 750 we're trying to break out of the 750 in my opinion, but should be a breakout here. Yeah, that's what I really kind of feel like, you know what I mean? And the gold is trying to break out as well at the same time too. Like, it's wow, it's incredible, guys. I don't even know what to tell you. Pretty crazy. Yeah, finally, there we go, guys. We are getting that breakout now. Well, we tried. This is a nice little breakout that we are getting now, so.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Oh my god. That's really not a chase, guys. That was definitely not meant to be a chase, by the way. I was trying to get into momentum drive, but I think we should be able to get that momentum drive, man. We actually broke out nicely, so 750, 768 retest definitely in the cards. Let's see, guys. Oh my god, look at that.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order rejected.
Usually during New York, at least we could have seen 20 points pump right off the bat as soon as I entered. But right now, of course, we're trading Asia, so it's not as easy, right? Yeah, so let's see, guys. We are trying to. Feels a little exhausted, but I think we could go. I'm gonna try and believe in this.
Order
filled.
Order Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm still holding, guys. I'm still holding on to this trade. Looking for a bounce back. And let's just use the, yeah, we are kind of trying to break out and trying to get into the 780. 775 is my final take profit there in that area. One more push, you guys, is all I really need. One more push. Let's see, get one last push, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
One more push back into the 775, guys. Let's see if we get it, guys. That's
Order
there we go. Yeah, I'm just trying to get to $200 in profit total if I can.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
So there you go, guys. One last 10 contracts. I've got it here. I'm looking for that bounce back into 775, and that's it. And that's it. We may, yeah, we could also get a rejection here too, but I kind of like it. 775 bounce. Let's see. I really strongly think we get a bounce into at least 775.
Order filled.
Yeah, 775. My final take profit there in that area. I've got 9 contracts now, guys. And if this end up just getting a pullback all the way back down, well, I don't know what to tell you if that is the case, to be honest. But again, I mean, there's nothing much you can do if he ends up getting a pullback here into 745, really. But I mean, and that's purely because it's Globex Asia. There's nothing much you can do, right? You could do a lot of funky stuff, but I still kind of like it to the upside though. But maybe you get a rejection here now. Oh my god, guys. I'm still up overall, but just not. Let's see, guys. I may have to. Oh my god, exit my trade. Damn it, guys.
Order filled.
Jeez. Oh, so annoying. This is Globex Asia, man. Even if you want to be do it well, it does all kinds of move, right? It just doesn't follow the pattern. That's the problem. That's really hard sometimes. Well, we have a double top here. I get that, but I mean, I don't know. Maybe with that sort of rejection that we had, maybe a pull back down into the 750s, maybe before we get some kind of a bounce back up again. But yeah, definitely very annoying on that pullback there. Definitely could have given me a little bit more of a squeeze and back up again. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard for me to get into this trade now again. Yeah, I'm a bit annoyed, but look at the bounce off that EMA support at 755 there. But again, this could just literally dump all the way back into 740. So I may have to I don't know, man. This is not sure. I'm not truly convinced with this sort of a price action we're getting right now, so I may have to just sit back and just watch this thing play out, I guess. BTC is scariest. Let's take a look at the gold here. Wow, the gold is really trying to get a bounce, guys. I like gold, to be honest, but again, the gold, you guys know, right? It's tempting to trade gold, I'll be honest, but I don't want to trade gold. God, man, this is gonna go back up again. Very annoying. Guys, we are 10 away from getting to over 4,000 subs on our backup channel. Of course, you guys know this is not my main channel, right? And we've been working hard to kind of grow this channel, and we are pretty close to over 4,000 now, which is pretty incredible. It's all thanks to you guys, everybody. Without you guys, obviously, this would have never been possible. And again, I want to take this as an opportunity to thank you, everybody, for always being there to support me throughout this entire process. Whether it's good, bad, or ugly, doesn't really matter. We're in this together, and I thank you guys. So much love. You know what this means, right? This is a heart, right? This is heart. And you know what, guys, we may have to, when we get to 4,000, we are just 9 subs away from getting to 4,000. We'll do another giveaway, guys. I'm not gonna let you know which account's gonna be, but now on this one, we'll do it on our Discord, guys. All right. So if you guys are not part of our Discord, tell you what, guys, get onto that right now, because okay, and I'm gonna send an instruction right now. One second, guys. Let's take a look at this market, what this market's trying to do. The market's kind of chopping right now, so one second, guys. While we wait for this market to kind of do its thing, I am sending an instruction. Hold on 1 second, guys. We're gonna do a funded futures network account. Okay, funded futures network account giveaway. And but again, I'm pretty close to 4,000. We're kind of still waiting. We're getting pretty close. I just need six subs away from getting to 4,000, guys. Probably just might as well do it right now. Hold on 1 second, guys. Funded Futures Network, you guys know it's one of my firm that I trade, and truthfully, I like a Funded Futures Network. Just so you know, we'll talk about a little more on how I plan to kind of work out on my Funded Futures Network. And by the way, so let's just go back to and of course, there's no activation on this, by the way. No, it's not. You don't have to type in Tiger, guys. You don't have to do that. We are 4 subs away, which is fine. We'll still go ahead and do it. Wouldn't really matter. The fact that we're actually pretty close, that is the reason. All right, guys, it's on the main chat. It's on the main chat. Take a look. It's Funded Futures Network giveaway, 50K account giveaway. No activation. Type in the number between 1 to 200. This time it's a little different. Okay, make sure. Go ahead and type in right now, guys. Good luck, everybody, and thanks for being here with us throughout this entire process. And we're doing this because we got pretty close to 4,000 subs on my second backup channel. You guys know how it took us 3-4 months to get there, which actually was pretty quick. We started with 4 subs 4 months ago, and here we are over 4,000 subs on our second backup channel, and I cannot find the word to describe how thankful I am to all of you guys, right? And thank you, all of you guys. We always truly work towards obviously getting better at trading, this journey itself, and yeah, it's been very exciting, and of course, without you guys, this would have never been possible. So I want to thank you guys once again for doing that. The instruction is on our Discord, guys. Right, this is not the same giveaway as we did on our YouTube chat. You have to hop onto our Discord and you have to type in your number between 1 to 200, right, and follow the instruction. Make sure you understand the instruction, and I am going to give you guys 2 more minutes to type in all your numbers so I can go ahead and call out the winner. Okay, 2 more minutes, guys. Two more minutes to be on our Discord. Type in the number between 1 to 200. Follow the instruction, and that's it. Do not edit your number. This is going to be a giveaway for Funded Futures Network, 50K account. One of the firm that I'm really working hard to try and grow. You guys gonna see me more actively trading Funded Futures Network down the road. So, all right, guys. 1 more minute, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and call out the winner. Okay. And by the way, a couple of offers that we have, of course. Previous 24-hour flash sale is ongoing right now. Ends in about less than 24 hours. It's a 1-day offer that they have. It's $8 on a 25K static account. And that is what I probably end up going with, right? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go with anything else. Maybe the swing trade account. Swing trade account, I think it's 144 on a 50K account. So that's it. That or the 25K static account. But that offer ends less than 24 hours. Just keep in mind. And guys, type in the number between 1 to 200 on the Discord, not on a YouTube chat. And again, thank you, everybody. Love you guys. Te amo, te amo. What else is there? Te amo, and what else is there, guys? Aishiteru. All right, this market's trying to play chop, chop, chop there in that range. Or Mr. Edgar Leon is here in the house, man. By the way, we got a lot of Spanish-speaking fellow traders in the house, man. I love it, guys. I love Mexico. I love South America. It's all great, beautiful. One of the best places to be. Thank you guys for being here today with us every day. Not just today, every day, guys. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Like from Mexico, yeah. No pasa nada. All right, guys, I think it's that time of the day. Oh, Dan Emmons, get the fick down there. What the heck, man? Is this market pulling back here right now as we are trying to finish off our giveaway? Oh my mochaccino, guys, look at that pullback. Oh my god, guys, 1 second. Oh my god, look at that pullback. That's a nasty looking pullback there, guys, man. What am I supposed to do now? Man, I don't want to chase this, man. You should have told me, Dan Emmons. You should have told me like 3 minutes ago they was dumping. Oh, did somebody tell me? I didn't read the chat, man. I'm sorry, man. Oh my god, we missed this whole move to the downstairs. Oh my god, look at that, man. That was definitely a nasty pullback there. We should have taken advantage of that one. I don't know if this pullback is over. I'm not happy. But you know what? That's fine. We missed this trade. That's fine. There's nothing much we can do. We are almost... That kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It is what it is. And by the way, we had an Apex account giveaway winner. Coach Fred, I don't know if he's here, but Coach Fred, anybody sees Coach Fred somewhere else in some other stream, let him know that he's won it. He's got 24 hours to claim his price. If not, then it goes away like evaporates. By the way, guys, we're getting a V-shaped bounce in this market. Is that going to be short-lived? We'll find out. Anyways, guys, don't forget to smack the like if you guys want to support the stream. How do you win when you're not here? You got 24 hours to claim the ones that I've done on the YouTube chat. And I've already... I have that instruction, so... All right, by the way, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call out the winning number. All right. Oh my god, my Discord link is invalid. I just shared the Discord link. I'm gonna give you guys one last minute, guys. We gotta get going. We gotta get going, everybody. Yeah. Which channel on Discord? That's the main chat. Just use the main chat. Main channel. Main chat. I don't know, man. I'm not sure why. And that would be the case. Guys, are we getting a pullback in this market now? Thank you guys once again for being here with us. Yeah, I think it's just gonna chop here in this range. Like, I wouldn't mind not being in a trade, because I think for today, being able to be green on 3 accounts, and these are all funded accounts, I'll be okay with that. You know, maybe it's asking for too much during Globex Asia, right? You can't be. I mean, obviously, I would love to trade all accounts, but that's I'll be okay with that for now. All right, so I'm gonna call out the winning. That's it, guys. I'm gonna call out the winner. 1 second, everybody. All right, good luck, everybody. All right, guys, 142. 142. Let's see if we have a winner. Oh, I think we have a winner here, guys. Big Dub Trader. Is Big Dub Trader winner? 142, guys. Let's take a look and see. I think Big Dub winner. Big Dub Trader, guys. I think he's the winner. Big Dub Trader. Big Dub Trader. Are you here? I'm going to give you 2 minutes to confirm that you are here. If not, then we're going to move on to the next. Big Dub Trader here. Big Dub Trader is here in the house. Woo! Woo! Big Dub Trader, man, congrats. I think you bought. I think you've got a couple price before, I think, if I'm not wrong. Oh, you sick bastard, you bought another one. I see. I see his DM. Yeah, a big Dutch trader, man. It's got the same number. Yeah, he's a killer. He's a monster. He's a monster, guys. Holy mochaccino. Really? You said 140? Really? Oh, it got pretty close, man. Yeah, big Dutch trader, man. Great stuff. Good job. Good job. You're gonna have to DM me so I can take care of your Funded Futures Network price. He's a lucky guy. Well, hey guys, man, we do giveaways pretty much either every day or every few days. So do not give up. Do not lose hope, guys. And I think this is it from my end today. I don't know if I want to be trading anymore. I want to walk away, have something to eat, and relax a little bit so I can come back stronger tomorrow morning, guys. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. It was really a lot of fun today. We just hit over 4,000 subs as well, so I cannot be any more thankful to all of you guys for all your support every day. Congrats to two winners, Coach Fred for the first giveaway on YouTube, and second winner, Doves Trader, on our Discord. Congrats once again, everybody. Thank you so much, all of you. You guys have a great rest of the night. Thank you for being here every day with us. Every single day during Globex Asia at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And plus on top of that, New York 2 or 3 times a week. Love to see you guys. Anyways, thank you, everybody. Have a great rest of the night. God bless you and your family. Take care and thank you and peace. Goodbye. Love you guys. Mucho gracias. Thank you so much. Te amo. Te amo. It's time to say goodbye. Oh, Terry Dawson, please don't forget to talk to me, okay? Please. I've got to get you your price, man. All right? Thank you anyways, guys. Peace out. Take care, guys. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Peace. Adjusted right, I don't think that's going to be possible, but I'll try. If I do, I'll let you guys know. Thank you. Bye-bye.